Did you know termites cause billions of dollars in property damage every year in the United States? And most homeowners' insurance policies don't cover it? That's why regular termite inspections are one of the smartest investments you can make for your home. A termite inspection is a professional evaluation of your home's interior and exterior to identify signs of termite activity, existing damage, and conditions that could attract termites in the future. During the inspection, trained technicians examine key areas like foundations, crawl spaces, garages, and wooden structures. They're looking for warning signs such as mud tubes, damaged wood, termite droppings, discarded wings, and other evidence of termite activity. Whether you're buying a home, selling a home, or simply protecting the one you already own, a termite inspection can help catch problems early, before they turn into costly repairs. Because termites often work behind the scenes, many infestations go unnoticed until significant damage has already occurred. Annual inspections can provide peace of mind and help safeguard your biggest investment. Don't wait until you see the damage. Schedule your professional termite inspection today and protect your home from hidden threats.